I'm back with my second Laura Sketches Reimagined video for today. So for this sketch, I'm going to be using the new scrapbookingstore.com kit. This kit is super fun this month because it is, the papers are all exclusive. So the scrapbookingstore.com designed their papers themselves. So I'm showing you the backs and the fronts of all of the different patterns. We are going to create a boy layout because I know this whole kit has that really kind of girly, florally feel to it, but there is these beautiful mustard and greens and blues in the collection. So I wanted to use some of those and show you how you can create a more masculine boy layout with this collection. So I'm showing you here, these are all the exclusive papers. Now, just an FYI, there was a bit of a manufacturing snafu with the papers where the papers are 12 by 12, including the branding strip. So for me, that just means that I will either have to cover up the branding strip if I use one of the papers as a background, or more than likely, I will grab some white cardstock and stretch my kit to make more projects. But just so you know, yes, Scrapbooking Store is aware that it happened, and there's always going to be a little bit of a snafu the first time you are manufacturing your own papers. But the collection and the patterns are really, really fun. So I'm just cutting apart from the cut apart sheet this card. There is lots of cut apart sheets in this kit, so you still get to stretch your kit with these cut aparts. I have this cute little photo of my son, and I'm going to use, like I said, the navies and the yellows from the collection. I'm going to go ahead and start with this paper. This is probably my favorite paper in the whole kit. I love, love, love this kind of lattice design with this really dark, dark blue paper. But what I want to do with it is use just a little bit. It is bold and it is a bit busy, so I think as a background, it might overwhelm my page. But the sketch for today includes these large triangles of paper, and I thought that it would work really, really well. So I'm going to have to kind of play a little bit to get this to cut just right in my trimmer. It's not super hard. Just have to kind of angle it a little bit and have a pair of scissors ready because there'll be a bit on the end that it'll just kind of score it. It won't cut it, but that is totally fine with me. I am used to it. This is something I've done in the past with these big triangles, and that allows me to put this bright, bold, beautiful paper on show and still have a bit left over for another layout. So there is the beginning of my layout. I'm going to try to do as many boy pages this month as I can with this kit because I do think it's possible, and I think that showing you guys some great ideas on how to use this collection with some more masculine pages is a good idea for everybody. I know we've been getting here at the scrapbookstore.com, we've been getting lots of girly kits recently, and I love a girly kit just like the rest of you, but at the same time, I have two boys, so I totally get that. This kit this month definitely has a more formal feel to it, so that might be something to keep in mind when you're choosing pictures to go with your pages. It does have a more formal feel to the patterns in the kit, and a very kind of spring vibe. There is some like tea elements to the kit. I don't know if I'm going to take that route. I'm actually going to try my best as I work through this kit to maybe more ignore the elephant in the room, as it were, and see what I can make with just the B-side patterns and some of the florals and cut aparts, and actually completely ignore the tea party vibe that this kit has, just to show all of you how you can do the same. I do have some tea party pictures though that am considering scrapbooking. So when I put this paper on my page, I didn't adhere it completely on the top edge, and that allowed me to kind of fold up that top edge, and then I can kind of tuck some other stuff down there. So I do want to go ahead and mat my photo. I'm going to use this mustardy paper. I love, love, love this navy blue. There's like a navy blue, and then there's like this periwinkle blue, and then there's like this mustardy color that is in this kit that they're really nice. As soon as I got my papers and started flipping through them, I'm like, oh, those are nice colors. So I'm going to try to probably use up a lot of those papers right at the beginning. I'm just matting my photo here, and then you can see I have that cute little cut apart piece to put to the right of my photo. Now, I'm trying to decide what I want to do next. I have both the full regular kit, and I also have the upgrade. And we are going to utilize a lot of the upgrade for this particular layout. The main kit with the sticker sheet that comes with them is very feminine, just kind of way on the feminine side. But the upgraded kit, the upgrade that comes with the kit, has a lot of not so feminine things in it. So that is going to be a huge help if you're a subscriber and you want to do some boy pages. I would definitely recommend grabbing the upgrade with this particular kit. So this is one of the little strips from one of the cut apart pieces. I am going to kind of fishtail the edge and pop it in here because I wanted to be able to create a cluster across that bottom edge. Just gonna go ahead, trim off the one side. Just gonna flip through here, flipping through all the different papers, seeing what I have. And I did find another little blue strip, but I wasn't loving that as much. And I also knew that my photograph and this little cut apart card was going to be kind of towards the top. This was one of the very first pages I did when I got to my retreat at Inspiration in Bloom, and I hadn't quite gotten the video I hadn't quite gotten my camera completely situated as good at the beginning as I did at the end. So I'm going to go through all these papers, make sure there isn't another one I want to use, and I decide that I'm good. I don't need another paper. I can just kind of play with the embellishments. So this is what I'm talking about. This is part of the upgrade kit. This is the Heidi Swap 6x12 pack, 6x12 stickers. And it has a lot of really great, I would say the whole pack, the whole sticker pack would work really well for some masculine pages. The Dear Lizzie pack is a very, very girly. There's a couple, it still has the blues, still has the aquas. It's not all pink, but it does have that really kind of feminine vibe to it, just so you know. And then these beautiful Heidi, these are another part of the kit. These are Heidi Swap stickers. They're almost like little 3x, I don't know how to describe them. So they're stickers. And like this one is a big cluster of stars. And both the 6x12 sticker sheet from Heidi Swap and the puffy stickers from Crepe Paper that are part of the upgrade have lots of stars on them. And so we are totally going to go that route. I love the stars, so we're going to do a lot of stars. We're also going to do these cute little stickers. This sticker that says Good Times, that's actually going to act as my title. And then I'm just going to layer up a couple of these label stickers and some of the free stickers. I end up cutting this one in half, mostly because it was the only like mustardy colored one on the sheet, and I knew that somewhere along the way I was going to need that other half. Sure enough, I did. And I popped it down at the bottom. And then there's this little bulldog, which is super cute and works well. There's a lot of really great stickers in the Heidi Swap sticker sheet. I think this is the one from Honey and Spice, if I remember correctly. So now I'm going to just go ahead and kind of create some clusters and use the stickers to accentuate my photo. And I left all this in mostly because this is the first I knew this was the first layout I was doing with this collection, and I really want to be able to show all of the members that follow me on my channel that you can do it. You can do some boy layouts with this kit collection, and it's okay because we have a lot of subscribers that have boys or grandsons, and we've had a lot of really pink kits lately. So I really wanted to kind of pull together as many boy layouts and share with you as many boy layouts as I could with this collection. I think I've said that like 18 times now, but it's true, I tell you. So you can see here I'm pulling labels, stars, phrase stickers, all those kinds of things from the Heidi Swap collection. And then I'm actually going to go ahead and grab there were two like mustardy colored flowers. They weren't like big pink roses. They were very kind of subtle mustardy color flowers. They matched and accented the colors that I was using in the page, and I have no problem putting, little accenty flowers on my boy layouts. That's totally cool with me. It's totally fine, especially this particular boy. If you have followed my channel, you know my youngest son is all about the flowers and the plants and the gardens and all of that kind of stuff. So I was able to use a couple of the stickers from this Dear Lizzie collection on my page. And then the last part of my upgrade are these Magical Forest by Crepe Paper puffy stickers. And I'm going to use all the stars. So they have a lot of cute little puffy stars on them. They have a really nice, like a light blue heart that worked really well for one of my clusters. And I'm just going to go ahead and kind of sprinkle them around. And that is where we are going to call this layout done. Thank you so very much for joining me today. I hope you have enjoyed today's double feature, and I will see you all again on Friday. Bye.